Hey, Shawn Devlin, the Mortgage Shoes Man, coming at you regards to buying a house with little to no money down. We're talking about FHA financing today. Ultimately, FHA has certain property standards. A lot of people think they're going to get approved for a house and then buy a home that must need some work. Okay, well, most houses need some work. But when you buy with little to no money down, most of the programs that allow for that have certain health and safety guidelines where you basically have to be buying a house that's move-in ready. It can't have chipped paint or stairs without a railing or holes in the wall, wires hanging out. So while it may need some updates, it can't be like you're buying a house that you need to like renovate in order to move in. Okay, so that's number one today. Number two, FHA reminder. Again, FHA flipping rules are very easy to understand. Ultimately, navigating this space is important to know certain things. So agents out there, if you see an acquisition date for somebody trying to sell a home inside of 90 days of when they have bought the house, it is no longer eligible for a new buyer to buy it on FHA. Okay. If the contract and the listing and everything starts on the 91st day to 180 days of acquisition date, meaning the date they went on title for that home, and they're selling the home on the 91st day. Okay. Well, if the purchase price, the new purchase price, is more than $1 than what they had bought it, now you need two appraisals. And if the second appraisal comes in low, the lower of the two is going to be used, even if it's 5%. So, again, some exceptions do exist to this flip rule for FHA. So if you inherit a home based on inheritance, it's court ordered. Ultimately, you can resell that home and somebody else can buy it immediately. HUD homes, same thing. Builders, same thing. Obviously, there's an exception to the rule of them going on title and reselling the home. Again, FHA tricks today. My name is Shawn Devlin, the Mortgage Juice, coming at you. Join us in creating excitement.